2, 1.
Hello student, good evening to all of you and welcome again. Let us continue our chapter number 13. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to base area into height. But we know that base area is the surface area is equal to length into breadth into height, or in other words volume of cuboid is equal to, we can write L into B into H, where L, B and H are respectively the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. And let us solve some examples related this volume of cuboid. See exercise number 13.5. Example number first. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? So it's very easy to find out the volume of one matchbox into 12. Solution. As per the question, L is equal to 4 centimeter, B is equal to 2.5 centimeter, H is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Hence, volume of the matchbox is equal to L into B into H. So, is equal to 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. So, is equal to 15 centimeter cube. Here unit is centimeter cube. So hence volume of 12 such boxes in a packet is equal to 15 into 12 is equal to 180 centimeter cube. Example number second. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? 1 meter square is equal to 1000 liters. Just a minute. So here is printing mistake, not meter square but it should be meter cube. Okay, because volume is measuring in meter cube, centimeter cube like this. So how many liters of water can it hold? And 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, now see here. H for the question, L is equal to 6 meter, B is equal to 5 meter, and deep or height is equal to 4.5 meter. So volume of the tank is L into B into H. So 6 into 5 into 4.5. So is equal to 135 meters square. Now 1 meter square is 1 meter, sorry, here. Okay, now. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore, 135 meter cube is equal to 135 into 1000 liter. That means 1,35,000 liter. Hence, the tank can hold 1,35,000 liters of water. Now, example number third. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How height must it be made to hold 380 cubic meter of a liquid? So here length is given, breadth is given, height is not given, but the volume is given. So H for the question, L is equal to 10 meter and B is equal to 8 meter. Volume of the vessel is equal to 380 cubic meter or meter cube. But we know that volume of the vessel is equal to L into B into H. Therefore, 380 meter cube is equal to 10 into 8 into H. Therefore, H is equal to, see here, 380 divided by 80 meter. Therefore, H is equal to 4.75 meter. Hence, the vessel must be 4.75 meter high to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid. Example number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter square. So first we have to find out volume of this cuboidal pit and then calculate the cost. Solution. As per the question, L is equal to 8 meter, B is equal to 6 meter, H is equal to 3 meter. Hence the volume of the pit is equal to L into B into H is equal to 8 into 6 into 3 is equal to 144 meter cube. Now given cost of digging the pit per meter cube, not meter square. Is equal to rupees 30. Therefore, the cost of digging 144 meter cube is equal to 144 into 30 is equal to 4320 rupees. Now example number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. So length and height is given. We have to find breadth. Volume is given. So 50,000 liters is equal to 50,000 divided by 1000 meter cube is equal to 50 meter cube. So 50 meter cube is the volume of this cuboidal tank. Now dimension of the cuboidal tank, L is given 2.5 meter. We have to find B, and height is given or depth is given 10 meter. So volume of the tank is equal to L into B into H. Therefore 50 meter cube is equal to 2.5 into B into 10. Therefore B is equal to 50 divided by 25 meter. Therefore B is equal to 2 meter. So hence the breadth of the tank is 2 meter. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cylinder. We know that the base of cylinder is circle and the area of the circle is pi r square. So the volume of cylinder is area of circle into height. That's why it is pi r square h. Let us try to solve examples to find out volume of cylinder. See exercise number 13.6. If the circumference of the base of a cylinder vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? In fact, this is L. L for liter. Okay. Solution. Let the radius of the cylinder be R and height of the cylinder is H is given 25 centimeter. We know that circumference of the cylinder is 2 pi r, hence 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. 132 centimeter is given. So r is equal to 132 divided by 7 divided by 2 into 22, which gives us r is equal to 21 centimeter. Now volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 21. So 21 into 21, h is 25. So is equal to 25, into 25. So is equal to 34,650 centimeter cube, and in liter divided by 1000, because we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So is equal to 34.65 liters. Hence the cylinder vessel can hold 34.65 liters of water. Example number 2. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Solution. Okay, so inner radius R1 of cylindrical pipe, because we have given diameters. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So inner radius is 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12 centimeter, and outer radius R2 of cylindrical pipe is equal to 28 by 2 centimeter is equal to 14 centimeter. Height of pipe, that means length of pipe, is given 35 centimeter. Now see here volume of pipe. So volume of pipe is equal to pi into bracket r square r2 square minus r1 square divided by h. Is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 square minus 12 square into 35 centimeter cube. So is equal to 110 into 52 centimeter cube is equal to 5720 centimeter cube. Now we have given that mass of 1 centimeter cube wood is equal to 0.6 gram. Therefore, mass of 5720 centimeter cube wood is equal to 5720 into 0.6 gram is equal to 3432 gram. Convert it into kilogram. So divided by 1000 is equal to 3.432 kilogram. So hence the mass of the pipe is 3.432 kilogram. Now example number 3. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. First one, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm with 4 cm having a height of 15 cm. And second, a plastic cylinder with circular base diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. So which container has greater capacity and by how much? So first one is this 5 into 4 into 15. So given length of tin can 5 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. So capacity of tin can is equal to L into B into H. So is equal to 5 into 4 into 15 is equal to 300 centimeter cube. So this is a solution of first one. Second one is cylinder with diameter 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. So radius of the circular end of plastic cylinder is let me do this 7 by 2 centimeter and is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now height of plastic cylinder is equal to 10 centimeter. So capacity of plastic cylinder, we know the formula pi r square h is equal to 22 by 7 into 3.5 square into 10 centimeter cube is equal to 11 into 35 centimeter cube is equal to 385 centimeter cube. So capacity of cylinder minus capacity of the can. So capacity of cylinder is 385 centimeter cube and capacity of the can is 300 centimeter cube. So difference is equal to 85 centimeter cube. Hence the cylinder has greater capacity by 85 centimeter cube. Now example number 4. If the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find out first one radius of its base and second its volume. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Given height of cylinder 5 centimeter. Let radius of cylinder be r. So curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 94.2 centimeter square is given. Hence 2 pi RH is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. Hence therefore 2 into 3.14 into R into 5 is equal to 94.2 centimeters cube gives R is equal to 3 centimeters. So answer of our first question, R is equal to 3 centimeters. Hence the radius of the base of the cylinder is 3 centimeters. Given height H of cylinder is equal to 5 centimeters. Let radius of cylinder be r. So okay, this is this slide. Let me remove this because it is repeat. Okay, this is second one. Just a minute. So the second question is to find out volume of cylinder. Okay, now ready. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h is equal to 3.14 into r. We have find out r is equal to 3 centimeters. So 3 square into 5. So is equal to 141.3 centimeter cube is the volume of cylinder. Next, it cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylinder vessel 10-meter deep. Okay. Example number 5. It cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10-meter deep if the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Find inner curved surface area of the vessel, radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. So first one, rupees 20 is the cost of painting 1 meter square. So 2200 is the cost for painting is 1 divided by 20 into 2200 meter square area is equal to 110 meter square area. So this is surface area, inner surface area of the vessel. Now second one, let the radius of the base of the vessel be r and height is given 10 centimeter. So surface area is equal to 2 pi rh is equal to 110 meter square. So 110 meter square is equal to 22 by 7 into 2r into 10 meter, which gives us r is equal to 1.75 meters. Now third, so here we have find out R. Capacity of vessel is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. H is 1.75. See here. So 1.75 square into 10 is equal to 96.25 meter cube. So hence the capacity of the vessel is 96.25 meter cube, or convert it into liters. So multiply by 1000, which is 96,250 liters. So okay student, with this we are going to end up today's period, and in a next period we will study about volume of a right circular cone. Okay, till then, goodbye to all of you.